If you live in an apartment, cooking smells can sometimes linger for hours, especially in smaller spaces. Garlic, fried food, or strong spices can spread through the whole apartment. So the big question is, can an air purifier actually remove cooking smells, or does it just move the air around? Let's break down how it actually works. Cooking smells tend to stick around in apartments for a few reasons. First, many apartments have limited ventilation, especially if there isn't a strong kitchen exhaust fan. Second, smaller spaces allow odors to circulate quickly through the entire apartment. And once those odor particles are in the air, they can stay suspended for quite a while. This is where air purifiers can help. Air purifiers remove smells using something called a carbon filter. While HEPA filters capture things like dust, pollen, and allergens, the activated carbon filter is what helps absorb odor particles from the air. So when air passes through the purifier, the carbon filter can help reduce cooking odors over time. Not instantly, but gradually as the air circulates through the filter. For example, the Levoit Core 400s includes both a HEPA filter and a carbon filter, which helps tackle both particles and odors. Because it moves a larger volume of air compared to smaller purifiers, it can circulate air through the filter more quickly in an apartment living space. That helps reduce lingering smells from things like fried food, garlic, or strong spices. But there are a few situations where air purifiers may struggle. If the purifier is too small for the room, or if it's placed far away from the kitchen area, it may take longer to reduce odors. Placement and room size both make a big difference. So do air purifiers actually remove cooking smells in apartments? Yes, but mostly because of the carbon filter, and it works best when the purifier is powerful enough for the space. If you're dealing with lingering cooking smells in a small apartment, the right air purifier can definitely help improve the air over time. If you want to check out the air purifier I mentioned in this video, I put the link in the description where you can see the current price and details. And if you're wondering where the best place to put an air purifier in an apartment is, check out the next video where I break that down.